Thanks for joining me today. Today we are going to make some quilt-inspired hidden message cards. This first one you see is watermelon. The hidden message is one in a melon. The second one is pineapple, and its message is one fine apple. And all of these cards are constructed the same way, and together we are going to put together the berry card, the strawberry card. And the hidden message is have a very nice day. And of course, our fruit is strawberries. And these cards are inspired by quilts, so they have a very geometrical design. And the hidden message part is pretty easy. You just take your background, which once you have put through your cutting machine, is going to have the flaps already pre-cut and scored for you. So we are going to put glue everywhere but those flaps and adhere that front piece to our card back. Easy peasy, simple, and this works the same across all three of these card variations. And once you have those two pieces glued together, you're going to want to work your flaps. Make sure you didn't accidentally get glue on them because it's easy to do. And also, working your flaps will make it easier to put in your hidden message. And you just center it, glue it in, easy as that. And you fold your flaps right back over so that it's hidden for your card recipient. We're going to repeat that again for the second half of our message. And double-sided paper is awesome for these cards. I love using Echo Park. I use their paper almost exclusively at this point. I have fallen in love with their paper line. They have not sponsored or affiliated with me. That's what I use. And if you want to exactly recreate the look you see here, the pattern pack I used on these cards is called Best Summer Ever. And it's just fun, fruity, summery vibes all around. Perfect for this time of year and this type of card. Now that we have our flaps all put together and our hidden message in, we are going to put the rest of our details on, which in this case is the strawberries with their leaves. And we're just going to put those on the flaps, how it lines up. And then you're left with a super fun, unique card that you can send anytime for any occasion to anyone because it's just generally fun and happy. So thank you so much for crafting with me today. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye.